In today's lesson, we are focusing on ratio problems. Okay, so here Alex and Thomas share 30 sweets. Okay, so total sweets we have 30, right? So let's write down here total sweets, that is 30, and given ratio is 3:2. Okay, how many sweets does Thomas have? So first part, what you need to do, you need to find sum of ratio, means 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Okay, and remember, first ratio is representing Alex, right? So Alex, this is for Alex and this is for Thomas. So they are asking about Thomas. So Thomas is having, Thomas ratio is 2 divided by total and times total sweets, that is 30. Okay, and how we can simplify it? So this is question. There are two ways we can simplify it. Okay, no need to reply, no need to text message now because I have started. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 6 is 30. So we got 2 times 6 is 12. So it means Thomas has got 12 sweets. If you don't want to do like this, we can go for different option. It was 2 over 5 times 30. You can multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. Okay, so 2 times 30 is 60 and it is 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So this should be your answer. Okay, now next bit is Sophie. Okay, Sophie has 60 pencils now. Okay, so the ratio of, let me minimize it. Yeah, so Sophie has 60 pencils. We can write down here number of pencils total. Total number of pencils are 60. The ratio of sharpened pencil and blunt pencil. So sharp pencil and blunt pencil, their ratio is 4:1. Okay, so first part is you need to find sum. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Now, how many sharpened pencil does Sophie has? So they are asking about the sharpened pencil. So sharpened pencil is this one. So we are taking this ratio 4 divided by 5 and total pencil is 60. So again, two ways you can solve it. So first way I'm solving, you can simplify it. 5 times 1 is 5, divide by 5, and 5 times 12 is 60, and you can multiply. 4 times 12 is 48. This is one way. Second way, what you can do it, I can solve here. It is 4 over 5 times 60. You can multiply top with top. 4 times 60 is 240 and 5 times 1 is 5. 240 divided by 5 is...
Sir, I cannot hear you. I don't know about the rest, but I can't hear you.
48. Okay. Guys, you can't hear me? Okay. Okay guys, here's another question. A piece of carpet is 240 centimeter long. Mr. Jones cuts it into 3 pieces in the ratio 1:2:5. Work out the length of the longest piece of the carpet. Please have a go now. Okay, so let's explain now. You can check your answer if you got it right. A piece of carpet is 240 centimeter long. So total piece is 240 centimeter. That is total length. Okay, Mr. Jones cuts it into 3 pieces and given ratio is 1:2:5. Okay, work out the length of the longest piece. So length of the longest piece will be, because this is 5 part, this is 2 part, this is 1 part. So length of the longest piece will be this. So first thing what you need to do, you need to find sum. 1 plus 2 plus 5. So it will be 8. So longest part is 5th part, right? So 5th divided by total. Here longest part was 5. 5 divided by total, that is 8, times 240. Okay, we can simplify it. So 240, if we divide it by 8 here and divide by 8 here, we can simplify. 8 goes 1 times with 8, and here it is 8 times 3 is 24, it is 30. So, and 5 times 30 is 150. If you don't understand, you can do it this way as well. Multiply 5 times 240. So 5 times 240 is, so if you multiply, I'm just doing it in a head, 5 times 240, it will be 1200 divided by 8, and 1200 divided by 8, if you'll do it, it will be 150. You can do it either way. Okay, now I'm putting next question. Okay, so Sarah has some chocolates, 24 are white, so let's write down here white, they are 24. Then milk, they are 16, and dark, they are 8. Write down the ratio of white chocolate to milk chocolate to dark chocolate and give your ratio in simplest form. So you need to see in which timetable 24, 16 and 8 is coming. In which timetable 24, 16 and 8 is coming? Any idea?
8.
8. So you can divide by 8 here, divide by 8 here, divide by 8 here. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, 16 divided by 8 is 2, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So this is your simplest form. You can't simplify further. Now B part, Rachel has some apples and bananas. So apple and banana, and the ratio of apple to banana is 2 is to 3, and she has 14 apples. Okay, so she has 14 apples. How many bananas she has? Okay, so if you just see here, from 2 to 14, by which number they have multiplied? From 2 to 14, by which number they have multiplied here? Guys, I'm asking. If it is 2, here is 14, by which number they have multiplied here? Are you listening? From
7.
7. Yeah, that's right. Benjamin, just answer, don't write here. So it is, that's right, times by 7. So if you multiply by 7 here, so using balancing method, you need to multiply by 7 here as well. So 7 times 3 is 21. So X has to be 21, and that is number of bananas. Is that okay? So here, Chris and Molly, so C stands for Chris, M stands for Molly, win money in a competition. They share the money in the ratio 2 is to 3, and Molly receives 240 pounds. So Molly receives, so Molly receives 240 pounds. So by 3, they have multiplied by certain number so that they have got 240. So which number is coming here? Which number is coming here? If you are feeling difficulty, which number is coming here? Just divide 240 by 3. Divide 240 by 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. And 0 is coming. So definitely they have multiplied by 80. So using balancing method, you need to multiply by 80 here as well. So 80 times 2 is 160. Okay, so how much money did Chris receive? So Chris receives 160 pounds. Yeah, so answer is here 160 pounds. How much money did they win in the competition? So how much money did they win in the competition? Yes, so total Molly receives 240, Chris receives 160. So total money they have received, you can add 240 plus 160. So it is 0. 6 plus 4, 10, 0 and 1 here. 1 and 2, 3 and 1, 4. So they have received altogether 400 pound. Is that okay, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. That's fine. So